Hi guys, I'm Radhika and we'll be teaching you our choreography on Ek Ladki. We just posted it last week and we've got an amazing response on it. A lot of you all wanted to see the tutorial so that you can learn it, and a lot of you all wanted to post it on your Instagram as well. So here we are and I hope you all enjoy it. Let's get started. Welcome to the tutorial of Ek Ladki, and I will be teaching you the first part of the choreography, and Mehak Tejwani, that is danced by Mehak, will be teaching the second part of the choreography. So let's start. Now, basic things that I wanted to tell you all beforehand is that how to sit is on what you think is comfortable, and but at the same time, it should also look graceful. And your hand movements should be very gentle and very soft. Whenever there's a sit and dance choreography, I think the major focus of your audience goes to how you express the song and how gentle your hand movements are. So yeah, I think that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you all before we start the choreography. And now let's start. So the first step is going to be firstly, we'll place our hands on our knees before we start the choreography. And the first step is your right hand goes up, followed by your left, and you just wave them inside and place them near your chest. Okay, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, up, wave, and near your chest. Now, once your hands are here, you'll open your hands out and get them back in again. You'll open your hands out, get them back in again, and you'll move your shoulder to the right and then to the left. Easy, let's do everything one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, up, wave, wave, out, in, shoulder, shoulder. Easy. So after this, for the lyrics part, we'll place our left hand on our waist and point towards the audience or the camera. So we'll point in front and move to our right side with our right hand near our forehead, and then we'll just look in front again. So basically, what we did is our hands were here. We put our left hand on our waist, point with your right, look to the right side, and then look in front. So from here, your right hand goes near your forehead, and then you look. From here, your left hand goes out straight and is just there. It's only a right hand that is moving in this step. So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Point, turn, and look in front again. Perfect. So after this is done, you place your right hand on your waist and your left wrist moves outwards. You move your wrist outwards. Now that'll go up first, up, move, and you will just place it here. It's just 2 times that you move your wrist and just place it here. So you move your wrist 1, 2, place your right hand on your left, and just as you're sleeping, take a wave and come back. It's just 1 time. You will just go out and come back in again. Now let's do the entire lyric part one more time. 5, 6, we were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy, let's do it one more time. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. So once this is done, we move on to the next step, that is Dil Mera Mange Ek Hi Dua. That's the lyrics of it. And from here, you'll place your right hand here as if you're making a heart, and then you'll complete your heart with your left hand. So you make your heart near your left side, heart, heart, place it here and here diagonally to your left side. So it's like you're praying to God, and then you just, once this is done, you just move out. Your hands don't move, your face moves out. You wink. I can't wink, I'm very bad at it, but you wink and you look in front again, and as if you're praying. So you just stay there till the line ends. That's it. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heart, heart, dua. Dua, come out, wink, and pray again. So that's it. We're done with the second line as well. So that's it. Now let's move forward. After you're done praying, we'll point again in front and we'll open a window. Like we're opening a window and we're just looking for something, right? So we'll just point and open and look for something and come back. Your right hand comes on your chin and you just support your right hand with your left hand. That's pretty easy, I guess. So we're here, we'll point, look for something and come back. So it's basically like tu samne ho or. For karu mein baat se, your right hand, you will turn it and place it near your mouth and your left hand again will go niche but straight. So like you're here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and look down to your left. So you're basically looking at your right side first and you will gently move to your left side and you will look down to your left side. Easy. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, you hear 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Easy. Again 5, 6, 7, 8 तू सामने हो और करूँ मैं बातें. Now once this is done, you place both your hands in front, one pointing upwards and the other downwards. Now your left point does not move at all. It's only your right finger that's moving to the right side. Easy. So lamha rahe you. You just move your wrist inwards and place it in front again and move to your left, move to your right, move to your left and right again. Okay, so you move for 4 times. So let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lamha rahe you. Tehra hua. And it happens 4 times. Now I think we should do the entire thing once more. So let's do it once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, wave and wave. Out, in, right, left, point, side, turn, wrist, left wrist, and you sleep and sleep. Heart, heart, pray, pray, come out, wink, and pray again. After that, you point, look for something, come back, place it near your mouth, and look down. After that is lamha rahe you, and left, right, left, and right. So after this step, the next step is you point in front and the other hand is on your waist. You get that hand back in, place your right hand on your chest and you just have to act like you're very shy. Like in those Bollywood movies, like they used to show that girl is very shy and yeah, so that's exactly what, like you just have to act like you're very shy. So side me and then do this and then be very extra, like be very shy. And so once that is done, the wordings are पहले तो कभी यूं मुझको ना ऐसा कुछ हुआ. Now after that, write on your forehead Diwani. Now move your head and your hand at the same time like Diwani. लहरों को goes from right corner upwards to left corner downwards. लहरों को जैसे. Now जैसे you will get your right hand back in wherever, like on your right side. So once that is done, लहरों को, get it back to the same side. Right to your left side and left hand to your right side and place them down where they were again. So basically, पहले तो कभी यूं मुझको ना ऐसा कुछ हुआ. Diwani, your right hand is on your forehead and you move in a full circle and right hand goes to the right corner and left hand follows and you show waves and then you place your right hand again to the right side. Then get your right hand to your left side of your face and same with the other side and just place them down again and move your shoulder left, right, left, Right. And once there's that music of O ek ladki. So for that O, we'll go up. Now move your wrist inwards, okay? And you'll go sideways, diagonal, and up and come back. Okay, so let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, diagonal, up and back. That's where the chorus of the song starts, and that will be taught by Mehak. So I think we should quickly revise whatever we learned. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Point, side, turn, left hand, left side, and come back. Heart, pray, come out, wink, and pray again. Point, look for something, come back, and move your hand in front of your lips and turn to your left side. Now, once this is done, lamha rahe you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, पहले तो कभी यू मुझको ना ऐसा कुछ हुआ. लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड ऑन योर फोरहेड. दीवानी लहरों को जैसे साहिल मिला. एंड देन लेफ्ट राइट एंड ओ एंड दा. Over to Mehak.
Hi guys, I'm Mehak. Okay, so you all finished here. The next step is the main step and the wordings are एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. From here you go एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. For this you do it with your right hand. 1, nod. Then you slide your right hand down, tilting your head to the right. 1, come back. Then you do the blushing, smiling with your shoulders. So the step is लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. From here, for the next step, you place your left hand like this and right hand over here. Bend a bit to your left, come back. This is for the guitar ka tune which comes after एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. So the step is एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. Ting ting ting. You come back. Then comes the next step. The wordings are again एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. For that the hands go like this. Place your hands like this. The right hand is up, left hand is down. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this you make a semicircle. Okay. With your right hand on the forehead. Then the next step is join your hands, make a wave, look to your hand, look to the camera. So it's एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. From here you go for the next step which has the wordings मेरे सोनिया with छड़ सारी गलियां. For that it's like सटके जावा with one hand, which is your right hand. मेरे सोनिया Chhad. It's like throw something to your right. Okay. Then you go Galia. 1, 2, 3, 4. Create a wave with your hands. From Galia, the next step is Naal tere dur chaleya main. For that, from Galia, you bring your left hand here. Right hand is ke upar. You go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. While doing this step, look at your hands. Okay. After this, the wordings are ले चल मुझको दुनिया से तू दूर. For that, you take your left hand, then you take your right hand, create a diagonal, then you take your right hand, twist it, bring it to your forehead, bend forward using your left hand as if you're pointing at something. Okay. 1, 2. With a bit of grace, you bend आगे, come back. So the step is ले चल मुझको दुनिया से तू दूर, and you come back. Okay. The next step is चोरी चोरी जद तेनू तकिया मैं. For this you use your right hand first. चोरी चोरी, right hand on the top. 1, 2, 3, and then you do this. For this, you twist your hands inside like this. 1. Okay? So the step is chori chori jad tin takliya mein. Then you bring your right hand here to your heart. Okay? And the left hand is down. And you go left, right. For khud ko sambhalna sakhiya mein. Okay? Then comes the next step. It says chad gaya sajna tera ye fitur. For this step, from here you go right hand, left hand, sajna. It's like Satke Java with both the hands this time. And then you go Tera with your right hand. And then for Fitur, this step, you go like this, facing towards your left. For making it easier, take the support of your toes, lift your knees up, turn, and you go Fitur. Bend a bit, girna mat. Okay? So you go Fitur. So here we are done with the tutorial of एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. We hope you love this simple and a beautiful choreography. We hope that you recreate it. We hope that you tag us on these handles
and upload it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you want, and just tag us, mention us, and we would love to see what all you've learned.